Right, wait. Oh, okay. Syringe, where's it gone? Right. So, trying to get this way you can see it. Putting the syringe onto the valve and injecting my full syringe worth into the tyre. There we go, nice and easy. Pull the syringe off gently. There we go. And screw my valve back in. So, that's our valve screwed in. So, same again, I'm going to, let's just move that to that. I'm going to charge up my air shot, still a bit in it. No. Just keep you fit this. Okay, now I'm going to connect that to my wheel. The beauty with the air shot is I can leave the pump attached to it and then top up the tyre after if needs be. So let's connect my air shot to the tyre. And then open the valve. There's a couple of points that haven't quite beaded now. I can hear the air. What I'm doing, I'm just pushing. There's a point here that hasn't beaded, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump. And what we're going to do is we're going to try that again. Sometimes when the valve core's put back in, the rush of air from the air shot's not quite enough when it has to force itself past the valve core. So we'll charge it up again. There we go. So we check that bead all the way around. Yep, that side's fine. And a little spillage of fluid here. Wipe that off now. And the beads all the way around there. Perfect. So what I can do now is just top it up to, I'm going to leave it at 100 psi for now, but I will drop it down to 80 for the athlete when they take the wheel away. So we've got the air in and we've got the fluid in, but there is a part that that people miss. So what I like to do is just make sure that fluid is coating the whole inside of that tyre. So I'm going to turn it over and shake this way. And then what I like to do is tap the rim as I rotate it just to splash that fluid about. And then do the same on the other side. Splash that fluid about inside. And then I like to do as if I'm playing basketball with it, just to finish off. Okay, so I do have one more way of checking this for leaks, which I will show you in a minute.